In this tutorial, we'll look at escalation rules in the EasyLog cloud. Escalation rules allow you to control how alarm notifications are repeated, who receives them, and when additional contacts are notified if an alarm remains unsolved. To access escalation rules, open Team Settings and select Escalation Rules from the menu. This page allows you to configure both repeated alarm notifications and notification escalation paths. When an alarm occurs, the primary contact for the device receives a notification. By enabling repeat primary notifications, EasyLog clouds will continue sending reminders until the alarm is acknowledged. The base repeat period controls the time between notification attempts. In this example, the period is set to 5 minutes, meaning the primary contact will receive a notification every 5 minutes while the alarm remains active. The non-delay limit determines how many notifications use the base repeat period before longer delays are introduced. In this example, the value is set to 3. This means the first 3 notifications will be sent 5 minutes apart. After the non-delay limit has been reached, the delay multiplier increases the time between future notifications. With the multiplier of 2, the delay doubles after each notification. In this example, the notifications occur after 5 minutes, 5 minutes, and 5 minutes. The next notification is then delayed by 10 minutes, followed by 20 minutes, then 40 minutes, and so on. This reduces notification fatigue when ensuring unresolved alarms continue receiving attention. The repeat until setting controls when repeated notifications stop. Selecting acknowledge means notifications continue until someone acknowledges the alarm. If the alarm is acknowledged after the first notification, all future notifications are cancelled. You can also choose number of times. This allows you to specify exactly how many notifications should be sent before repeating stops automatically. As you adjust these settings, the schedule preview updates automatically. This provides a clear timeline showing exactly when notifications will be sent. While primary alarm repetition helps ensure the primary contact sees an alarm, escalated alarm allows additional team members to be notified if the issue remains unresolved. The secondary escalation delay determines when a secondary contact should be notified. For example, if this value is set to 15 minutes, the secondary contact will receive a notification 15 minutes after the alarm was first sent to the primary contact, provided the escalation conditions have been met. The emergency escalation determines when emergency contacts should be notified. This delay is measured from the secondary notification. For example, if the secondary escalation delay is set to 15 minutes and the emergency escalation delay is set to 10 minutes, the emergency contacts will be notified 25 minutes after the primary contact was first notified. The escalate if setting determines when escalation should occur. For example, selecting event not acknowledged means escalation will only happen if the alarm has not yet been acknowledged. In this example, an alarm is triggered at 9 AM. The primary contact received the initial notification immediately. If the alarm remains unacknowledged, the secondary contact receives a notification after the configured delay. If the alarm still hasn't been addressed, the emergency contact will receive a notification after the emergency escalation delay. This helps ensure critical alarms are escalated through your organisation until somebody takes action. If required, secondary and emergency notifications can also be repeated. Enable repeat escalated notifications to reveal additional notification options. The schedule preview provides a complete overview of your notification timeline, allowing you to clarify when each primary, secondary, and emergency notification will be sent. Once you're happy with the configuration, select Apply and save your changes. Your escalation rules are now configured, helping ensure important alarms are seen and acted upon as quickly as possible.